Ever found yourself pondering why physical gold consistently outshines gold mining stocks? The answer lies in a fascinating combination of historical performance, volatility, and risk. Consider the period from 1971 to 2022. Over these 5 decades, physical gold has seen an impressive gain of around 4,000%. Meanwhile, the gold miners index has only managed a gain of around 400%. The discrepancy between these numbers is stark, and it speaks volumes about the risks involved in investing in mining companies rather than the physical metal itself. Let's delve into a real-life example to illustrate these risks more vividly. Enter Mike, an investor who decided to throw caution to the wind and invest heavily in miners during the early 2000s. Initially, his strategy seemed to pay off, with some of his investments scoring big wins. However, as the stocks began to tumble from their peaks, Mike found himself on the losing end of most of these bets. This isn't an isolated incident. On both long and short time frames, indices of gold and silver mining stocks such as the XAU, HUI, GDX, and GDXJ have mostly underperformed or barely kept pace with gains in the price of physical gold and silver. So, what's the takeaway here? Mike, along with other savvy investors like Alan, advocate for a focus on physical precious metals over miners for portfolio safety and gains. They allocate their largest positions to physical gold and silver, reserving only a smaller gambling portion for the risky junior mining stocks. In the grand scheme of things, the message rings clear. Physical gold and silver have been the most reliable assets, vastly outperforming the stocks of the companies that mine them. Mining stocks, while they may seem tempting, carry higher risks and have generally failed to outperform gains in the underlying metals. So next time you're considering where to place your bets in the precious metals sector, remember Mike's story and consider the historical performance of physical gold and silver. It may just save you from a risky gamble and steer you towards a more secure investment strategy.